What's up, everyone? Welcome to another Tag Thursday. Roll that intro. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Let's see. Can you see the bike? Yes, you can see the bike. Cool. So, what is Tag Thursday? It is a forum game that I play with my friends at 49cc Scoot. I'll leave the link down below. Where it's similar to 48 Hours of Ruckus, just on a one-by-one basis. So it's not craziness. And today's tag was an empty sign, which we just got. We're about to go do something else once everybody goes by. But yeah, it's a pretty fun game. It goes year-round. There is a prize for the winner at the end, but more or less it's just bragging rights. You know, you're the champion of the year, then you're the top dog. Clean slate for the next year. Start all over. Bert, the admin for 49cc Scoot, is an awesome guy. He's let a lot of the hoonery that the Ruckus guys brought over after TR died. So thank you, sir, for allowing 49cc Scoot to be our new home after we were displaced. So it's a pretty awesome place. If you're interested in any scooter related tuning, or if you want to see what other people are riding and doing to their rides, 49ccscoot.com is such a great place to go. But enough of plugging. Let's see if I can find something else. So some of the rules is like you post something, a picture of what you want the next person to do. In that case was an empty sign, which we just got, and then you also have to find something for somebody else to get. So I am thinking window tint. So we'll go over there to that discount tire. We'll turn around and we'll get that window tint. Seems easy enough. Storms and summer vacations gotten people out of commission. Also, some bikes may have been casualty to 48 Hours of Ruckus. They may still be under the operating table. So I'll go in here, turn around, safe as can be. I could have done a self-wash, but I've already committed to the tinting one. So we'll wait for these people to go. We'll take the picture and we'll be on our merry way. So if you guys see that I'm wearing the same thing as some other videos, I do have other clothes. This is the same day, July 15th. So they're spaced out. I batch, like, record my videos for anybody wondering. I'm turning here, take that picture of the window tint. Oh, so there's some issue with my Galaxy, which Puck has the same phone and has the same issue, to where the main camera takes pictures while all wavy. So what I've been doing lately is just using the selfie camera to take any pictures that I need. The problem is you gotta be, there he goes, you gotta time it correctly. Where is that button? I feel like an old man. Oh, come on. Did I do the wrong button? Yes, I did. Wow. Awesome. So let's take a look at that. And that works. I'll go ahead and post it. Whew, it is hot. But you guys don't need to see that. I use TapATalk to interact with 49cc Scoot, which is an app that you can set up notifications and everything. So if you're playing this game and you're actually trying to win, Notification Squad is where to go with TapATalk.
Day 2.
Alright, so I actually stayed here at the tent place, well, where the tent sign was, for a little longer than expected. Some of the guys from the shops, the repair shop, the tenting shop, and the paint shop came out and we talked for a while. Maybe some good collabs in the future. I've been here for like about an hour already. It was good. We got some good conversation about the Ruckus, about possible future vehicles for the channel. But if you guys want to see that, like this video, subscribe so that I can get to a point where I actually make the money to do a lot of those new vehicles that I want. How you doing? Here. Yes, sir. Yeah, no problem. So yeah, so just like that, I talked to a lot of those guys. Just they were interested in the Ruckus and what I've done to it and the ins and outs. So I told them there may be some cool things we'll be doing together in the future. So that's some good stuff to look forward to. But if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up so that we can make dreams come true. Hit that subscribe button if you want to make sure you don't miss anything I post. Ring that bell so you're notified every single time I upload something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spass out. Later. Wants to see me do a collab with an actual like mini bike shop here in Houston area? Leave that comment below. So if we get enough traction, it'll definitely happen.